Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make red sauce. First, we'll build a flavorful base. Begin by finely dicing 1 medium onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the diced onion and garlic, stirring occasionally. Sauté these aromatics until they are fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This step is crucial for developing deep flavor. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, the tomatoes. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of high-quality crushed tomatoes. To deepen the flavor and add a lovely richness, stir in 1 small 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot partially and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. The longer it simmers, the better it tastes. Now let's perfect the seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For classic Italian flavor, incorporate 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and if you like a little kick, a small pinch of red pepper flakes. Taste and adjust as needed. Just before serving, stir in 2 generous tablespoons of fresh chopped basil. This brightens the sauce and adds a wonderful aromatic finish. And there you have it, a truly delicious homemade red sauce. This versatile sauce is perfect served over your favorite pasta, like spaghetti or penne. It also makes an excellent base for dishes such as meatballs, lasagna, or chicken parmesan. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for longer enjoyment. Enjoy creating this timeless classic in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.